Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another look to share with you using the SheGlam Rick and Morty eyeshadow palette. This palette is under $10. You can find it on Shein.com. The links to Shein and a product list and all those fun things will be in the description box below. Check it out. And this is look number 2. This day I did a beautiful purple look. I hope you'll enjoy and let's get started. I used the NYX eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes, and I used the Makeup Revolution iHeart Revolution Peach Powder under the eyes to catch fallout. And of course we're going to be taking the SheGlam Rick and Morty eyeshadow palette. I just love the cover art for this. Like I said in the other video, I've never watched Rick and Morty, but I do love Back to the Future. And I loved the color story of this palette and I had to have it. I'm taking this beautiful, bright, almost neon purple shade in the palette, and this is a fluffy crease brush. I'm going to use this to press in that eyeshadow in the outer corner up into the crease using my orbital bone as a guide. I'm not bringing it fully into the crease. I'm leaving about half of the crease blank. Here I'm showing you fallout, and that's why I have the powder in my eyes, because this palette does have a bit of fallout, especially with the matte shades. Taking the light pastel purple in the palette and working that in the inner portion of the crease there, and I will use this to kind of blend out the bright purple as well, but these blend together really nicely, seamlessly as always. I'm always impressed with SheGlam's eyeshadows. They are able to blend really nicely together, and 90% of the time they're super pigmented and easy to work with. I love that. And this silver here, I am going to apply that to the lid. It's so pretty. I'm going to use my brush wet, and I'm only getting half of the eyeshadow, using half the eyeshadow with my wet brush, so not to get hard pan on the entire eyeshadow. I do this all the time, but anyways, I'm kind of using a flat shader brush to kind of press that and swipe it at the same time on the lid, or I should say maybe painting it on the lid. I'm going to create a faux cut crease kind of look, and then I'm going to go in and use the other colors to blend the silver into the crease area in the outer corner, using NYX Single Eyeshadow and Pure Skin to highlight with. While I use this to highlight with, I want to say that bright, beautiful purple shade did stain the lids a little. After I removed it, I could tell just in the outer corner, like a day, I would say. But it is what it is. So I'm going to go back in and blend, and then I'm going to take some of that really pastel purple around the edges of the bright purple and blend that into the bright purple and into the brow bone highlight. Wiping away fallout, and I'm doing my lower lash line with the bright purple. I'm using the Sinful Color Single Eyeshadow in the shade Proud, and it's just a shimmery champagne shade, and I'm using that in the inner corner to highlight with. I love using this as inner corner highlight, so pretty. This is Eyeshadow Studio Gel Eyeliner and Seize the Day to tightline my upper rim, and then the same brand eyeliner except in Starfish, a beautiful purple shade in my waterline. And this is also from Eyeshadow Studio, and it's a very dark purple felt tip liner, and I'm using a thin line of that. And then this is from Profusion, and it's a brighter pastel neon purple, a double liner. And these lashes are from Shein. They are half lashes, and the glue is from Eyeshadow Studio, and I'm just gonna place those. And I'm using the Sephora LashCraft mascara to mesh my real lashes with the false lashes so they can look more seamless. I love how this look came out. The lips I do feel are a bit dark, but still it's fine. They're beautiful. And that little tiny star lipstick was from SheGlam, and it was a part of a set in their Cosmic collection, and the Maybelline Superstay Ink matte lip, and I have to show my nails off, and this is the finished look. There'll be a tutorial linked in the cards and in the description box for that, so check it out, as well as the product list, Shein and SheGlam links. There's a playlist, so definitely check the description box out, y'all. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. We'll try the look out for yourselves, maybe using products you already own. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and there will be more SheGlam Rick and Morty looks coming soon.